Hey everyone, I am Nitesh and welcome back to the channel. Today I will break down something that might sound complicated but is actually pretty simple, and that is APIs. You probably use them all the time without even realizing it. So, what exactly is an API and how does it work? Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the basic. API stand for Application Programming Interface. Think of it like a waiter at your favorite restaurant. You look at the menu, decide what you want, and tell the waiter your order. The waiter then go to the kitchen and brings back your food. You don't need to know how the kitchen cooks your meal. You just get what you ask for. The waiter is basically the API, a middleman that help two different systems to talk each other. So how does this actually happening in the digital world? Imagine you are using a weather app on your phone. When you want to check the temperature, your app send a request to a server somewhere asking, "Hey, what's the weather like right now?" The API is the messenger that carries this request to the server. The server then look up the information and send it back, usually in a format called JSON, which is just a way to organize data so your app can understand it easily. In most modern API use something called REST. REST like a simple set of rule API that makes this communication smooth and quick. Now let's understand the different kinds of API. First is open or public API, means anyone can use them like Twitter API, which let developer pull tweets into their app. Second is internal, or we can say it's a private API used only inside company to connect within their system so others can't interact with it. Then coming back to the third one is partner API, which companies share with trusted partner to work together on some project. And finally, it's a composite API. It's a composition of API. Now the question is, why are API important? Why should you care about API? Well, there are the reason different apps and service can work together so seamlessly. For example, when you pay online with PayPal, the website you are on use PayPal's API to securely process your payment behind the screen. Without API, all these services would not be able to talk to each other and things would be way more complicated. So that's all about demo on API. So to wrap up, API are like invisible messenger that help apps and service communicate without sharing all their inner secret. Pretty cool, right? If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to learn more technical stuffs and drop a comment if you have any question. Thank you very much. This is Nitesh Shah and I will catch up you in next one.